on the 18th, we went as a full team of the state BGP under the presidency of State President Myntri, State General Secretary, Vice President. We went first. We went to submit our nomination as a party from all over India regarding the election of national president, where the Shri Nitin Nabenji, the 5-time MLA from Bihar, and is a very young president who have attained the age of 46 only. He was declared elected as the young president of the BGP, of a national BGP of a party. So subsequently, we have prepared and bring it to the information, all these problems and grievances within the cantonment area, which falls under the authority of the defense. So we have taken up certain issues like reallocation of this Dalit Sikh from Temyo Mulong to the defense land, where we have from the government side also they have taken up, and I have also went to meet the Honorable Defense Minister Rajnath Singh Ji. So we have given a patient hearing regarding this NOC, this allotment of defense land under the cantonment board, where the Sikh community, this Dalit community, can be shifted from Temyo Mulong. That is number one. Number two, we have also met Nitin Gadkari ji, also who is the Minister of Road Transport and Highway, regarding this slow implementation of this flyover proposed from Jalupara under my constituency, taxi stand, till Barik Point. So that also we have taken up. Then Nitin ji, he said that Nitin ji, he have discussed with the authority of the defense, and accordingly he is writing one letter to the defense to speedy implement, to expedite the matter to allot this defense lands to the government. Then we also have taken up the issue regarding the cantonment ground, playground, and this construction of shifting our hawkers to construct the hawkers market, then this football ground, the drainage system, everything with the defense ministry, since it falls under the authority of the defense. And we have also met the tourism and cultural minister, where we have proposed, because the Department of Art and Culture, they own a land just adjacent to CRP camp at Molai. So it's lying like that for many years. So we have come up with a proposal to set up this indigenous traditional complex there. Then they have accepted this proposal also. Then this way, the meaning is that we will preserve the indigenous culture of the Khasi Jangtian Garu, the Senghasi, Senraj, and the Songsarai. And we will come up with a big project where so many tourists, the component will be, the gas house will be there, then this traditional stall will be there, or like this Delhi hut type. So all this proposal has been accepted. So I have also informed the Honorable Chief Minister regarding all this, my visit to the Union Minister. So after the Republic Day, special meeting will be convened by the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, and also our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Peludi, Preston Tensong, also regarding all these issues. So jointly as a government, MDA government, we will move to the center. Then from the all the union ministers also, they have, especially the defense minister, he was very happy to bring it to the information, all this problem and grievances which happen in the cantonment area, which falls under the authority of the defense. So he's very happy that he have even requested me and requested me that you should come. Any problem arises, you should come to Delhi, meet where he will take personal initiative to take up all the issue concerning the problem, and especially the speedy allotment of defense land to the government, as to enable the government to complete the road infrastructure. And at the meantime, we have also mentioned that it will subside this traffic congestion. All these issues have been discussed, and